How's everyone doing today? Well, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's finally raining here. It's been like a month with no rain. It's been so dry. And we planted grass seed in the pasture a month and a half ago and hasn't germinated. So it rained, I think 2 days ago all day, nice steady, easy rain. So we're hoping that helps out and this rain should get that grass germinated. But you can see I'm in the greenhouse today. I just wanted to show you guys the update on it. I've got everything planted in, and one of my viewers asked me about trellising our tomatoes in the greenhouse. So I'm going to walk you guys through that quickly on how we do that. So let's get a quick overview here. So here's all the cucumbers on this side here. I got some cucamelons, picking cucumbers, some loofahs, and then I got some eggplants in the front, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, sauce tomatoes, regular slicing tomatoes, more tomatoes over here, and I've got peppers over there, a whole bunch of different varieties. Got some jalapenos and red peppers and yellow peppers. I think I got some habaneros as well. And then down the center as well, I've got basil. I've got purple basil and green basil this year. And at the ends, I've just got a few different plants. I got 2 citrus trees here and a fig tree, and I've got some ginger I got to try and grow here. But I'll grab one of the strings down here from the trellis system. So what it is just a hook here on both sides, and it's got a string. I think these ones are like 15 or 20 feet long. I got longer ones just so if I ever have to cut them, if they fray at the bottom, then they're good to go. And you just unwind it as you need it to lower it down. And what I've done too, along the top of the greenhouse here, I've attached wire. A lot of people are using airline cable, which I didn't realize till after the fact. So I just used some thin metal wire, and it holds up really well. And this one I've only got one, so I do trellises crisscrossed. Whereas this one here, the middle ones, I've got more space because it's higher up. I've got 2 wires up there, so I can have it spaced out better for the tomatoes, so they're not getting too close together. And that's what I've done for those other 2 as well. And so what we do is we lower them down, and at the bottom here, this one last year what I did, I just tied them on with a slip knot to the tomato. But this year what I'm doing instead is, on the bottoms is, I've got these tomato clips, and you just clip them on like this, along the bottom, and they're reusable. So to undo them, you just unclip them like that. And I've just done a slip knot here around the tomato clip, and I'll show you some over here. These ones I think I'll tie it on the bottom till I smart it up, but what you do is you just clip it on the bottom of your tomato here, and then holds it up. And you want the strings as tight as possible. These ones are a bit loose because it's hard to get them exactly where you need them. But what you do when you clip them and they grow, you just keep clipping them up as they come up here. So you just put it through around the stem here, and it keeps it nice and straight. And as it gets taller, I'll probably do the next one, another foot or so higher. And we'll do that the whole way up. And these guys, actually, we need to start pruning them already. They've been here about 3 weeks now. So I gotta come along and prune all the bottom ones off so they get some nice airflow. But right now, you can see we've already got some flowers on the tomatoes, which is pretty exciting. I saw a few more flowers over here too the other day on some of these ones here. Yeah, right there. So there we have it. Very exciting. So hopefully we have some earlier tomatoes this year. But that is our trellis system, guys. Super easy, super simple. I mean, nothing fancy. You don't need a fancy trellis system. It's what we do here. It worked really well last year. And same with the cucumbers. Once they get a bit taller, I'll be doing the same thing with the cucumbers as well. And maybe what I'll do later on, I'll do an update once we get higher and you can see the way they're all trellised up and what they look like. But that is it. This is our greenhouse setup here. It's pretty awesome. Excited to have tomatoes going. So if you guys have any other questions about the trellis system here, leave us a comment here and I'll answer any questions you have. And hope your season is going off well. We'll see you guys soon and have a great day.